Take care of your gut and your gut will take care of you. Better hormone secretion, feel better, focus better, keep cellular junctions tight to prevent inflammation, acne and leaky gut, keep discomfort, flatulence and irritable bowel syndrome at bay. Start healing the histamine axis. Hello, I'm Lorena and welcome to my channel. Duke University researcher Diego Borges and colleagues have identified the neural circuitry that connects the gut with the brain. This pathway is spanned by a single synapse capable of relaying a signal from gut to brain in 100 milliseconds. This newly discovered pathway is probably exploited by pathogens in the body and will almost certainly lead to new therapies. This knowledge should direct our eating habits to avoid grouping foods together that favors pathogenic growth in our digestive system and to rather eat in such a way to favor our natural flora. Stay tuned and watch this informative video clip with me that will help you understand why you should focus on better gut health right away.
How the gut and the brain communicate has fascinated us for centuries. The gut-brain axis transforms information via the vagus nerve from food to feelings. Once eaten, digested food particles enter the small intestine, which is covered with a velvety layer of villi. Each villus is lined with a single layer of epithelium. This layer is made up of different cell types. One of them, the enteroendocrine cell, is unlike the others. It is our gut sensor. In addition to communicating through hormones, we discovered that enteroendocrine cells also synapse with nerves, including the vagus nerve. We call those enteroendocrine cells synapsing with nerves neuropod cells. They sense and react to their environment. They sense mechanical, thermal, and chemical stimuli, such as nutrients or bacterial byproducts in the gut lumen. Inside neuropod cells, signals from stimuli are converted into tiny electrical pulses. These pulses propagate via synapses onto the afferent neuron of the vagus nerve. Vagal neurons carry the sensory information to the brainstem, linking the signals generated inside the small intestine to the brain. The neuropod cell connection with the vagus nerve serves as a conduit for food in the gut to influence brain function within seconds. This connection is also a potential portal for gut pathogens to access the brain. This new knowledge is a foundation for designing therapies to treat disorders related to altered gut-brain signaling.
Total health starts in the gut. From this video clip, it can be seen that there's a physical, neurological connection between the gut and the brain. Because we tend to group the wrong foods together in a meal, and we tend to eat in the incorrect sequence in a day, we need to clean and correct our gut health with a supplement like Gut Care. Healing the GI lining should be the first step in treating any ailment, from psychological issues, dermatological, immune-related, as well as hormone-related issues. There is a fine symphony between the brain and the gut. More serotonin is secreted by the GI tract and then transported to the brain than the other way around. Keeping the GI tract clean of buildup and ensuring a timely cell turnover fine-tunes this sophisticated symphony. There are 7 signs of an unhealthy gut: an upset stomach, including gas, bloatedness, constipation and diarrhea, or irritable bowel syndrome, and heartburn. Even reoccurring vaginal thrush could indicate a fungal overgrowth in the digestive system. A sugary diet can lead to an unhealthy gut. Unintentional weight changes, sleep disturbances and constant fatigue, skin irritations, autoimmune conditions and even histamine intolerance, and of course food intolerance are all signs of an unhealthy gut. Gut Care restores the mucosal lining to prevent food intolerances. It supplies energy to the GI tract cells to improve absorption of nutrients. Gut Care assists in intestinal ailments and prevent constipation. It helps with food allergies and combat the effects of diarrhea and bloating. 75 trillion cells make up your body. If you do not absorb nutrients very well, how will you sustain all these functions to live a successful life? You need to supplement with Gut Care today. The gut lining is only one cell layer thick. You need the full spectrum of the following nutrients to keep that lining intact, to help heal leaky gut, and to clean and sweep away any half or undigested food matter that had remained behind and became trapped in the GI system. There is a saying in healthcare, what is in the gut should stay in the gut. It tends to cause inflammation when gut content seeps into the surrounding tissue. These amino acids and nutrients will help correct the conditions leaky gut and irritable bowel syndrome. Gut care is available in South Africa, and you can order anywhere in the country by contacting Arena as per the details on the screen and listed below. Make sure you get yours today.